Guys, welcome back to Zone 2 Garage. We have another part of our installment for the LED conversion on our 2012 Dodge 3500 diesel 6.7 Cummins, not a Power Stroke. Had to do that for the owner. He's a funny guy, man. One of the good friends. Zone 2 Garage. Power Stroke's better though. But so let's go ahead and change this third brake light out, and we're going to be using some LEDs that we got from iBrightStar off of Amazon. These are them right here. These are the bulbs right there. We're gonna have a link to them in the video. The tools you're gonna need today is just gonna be a Phillips screwdriver. All right, so let's go ahead and dive in. This light back here, it only has 2 screws. I started doing this earlier, so once again, we're trying to keep these videos straight to the point for you. Let's go ahead and get those boys out. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. You take those 2 screws out, and then you're just gonna peel this bad boy up and out. Yeah. This truck has a bunch of miles on it, and I don't know when the last time this thing was changed was. So, give me 1 second. So guys, like I said, this truck has a lot of miles on it. It's been all over America. This thing was baked on there, so you might want to bring yourself with you a nice little flathead like this, so you can just put it around here, and you just want to kind of pop the gasket, then pop that seal up. You don't want to pry or anything. You just want to get it to glide across the top there, and you'll feel it break free, and it'll just pop out like that. There's no special clips or anything holding this in. There's 2 locators, so it has to come straight out. Alright guys, it's going to come straight out like this. Here's our locators. So let's go ahead and let's get these boys out of here. 1, 2, and 3. Man, these boys are really have seen better days. Looks like we got a little clip. This is a good thing we have. Plug here. Let's go ahead. I'll get this off of here. So guys, this little wire harness is holding it on. We don't need to take it off. We can actually leave that there. So now that we have our light off, let's go ahead. Wow, you can see the wear on these bulbs here. So you see, and these were actually still working too, guys. Well, not this guy. This guy's blown up. Those LEDs were working. Both of these have seen way better days. Let's see if we can get them out. Nice, they all came out without a problem. So let's go ahead and we're gonna get these replaced with our nice new ones here. These look like a lot newer quality. So you're just gonna pop those in, 1, and then we're gonna put it in here, and you're gonna turn just like that, guys. So these bulbs here that we picked up, they are supposed to be actually red LEDs, so we're gonna hopefully get the right LED in the center here. It's only one center one that is red on this guy actually, and the rest are cargo lamp lights. Let's go ahead, and you're just gonna give that a nice turn. It's nice when you have a nice little toolbox back here. You got something to sit on. Makes doing this so much easier. And bomb. And that's it, guys. Let's go ahead and get this plugged in. Right there. Boom. Let's go ahead and sit that on there. Boom. I'm not going to screw this in just yet, guys. We're going to give this a little test. Let's see if we can get our assistant, owner of the truck. Good VJ. Sir. Can we get some light testing capabilities, please? Let's see how these lights look. Oh, look at that, guys. We already got some nice light going out there. I'm going to say we have it backwards, and we have the reds on the outside. Give me 1 second there. Let's get this switched around. That was definitely very red. So we're going to go ahead and just pop this out here. And we're going to swap this out with this bulb here. there. This should be our nice white bulb. Put that up. This one out. This is our other white bulb. Get that there, and we're going to go ahead and put a nice red one in there. That light, so nice and warm. Let's go ahead and we're going to switch this boy out. Nice and easy. And let's resume our tests. Good sir, we get some light. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Nice and beautiful and white lights for our cab lights. And we're going to test our brake lights right now. Now that I know those are there, we'll just go ahead and put those back in. And there's our nice red light. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the video. If you have any comments, please leave them. We'll have the links to these bulbs in the description. Have a good one.